Well, this is our proposed AES algorithm, and that we are going to implement on the Spartan 6. We will see here the little demonstration of the our whole implementation, and this is the top model of AES. Here clock reset, and this is TXT the output. This is the component sub byte transformation which is used, and this is the mix column. This is UART component which is used to transmit the data from hardware to PC. Here this is the key which is used for the encryption and decryption. This is the plain text. Randomly these are taken, and now we will see the simulation result simulation. And this is the test bench. Here clock and reset is the input, and this is the transmission output. See, this is the simulation result. We will see. This is the serial communication using UART. We will see input data. See here, this is the input data for the UART, and we will check the reception in the PC. Now we are seeing this value in the decimal, so we can see in the reception part also. So see here, our value is starting from 57. This is the first encrypted value of the first data. The 57, 37, 132, 29, 2, like that. And these are the transmitting data which is which will be transmitted from the hardware to the PC. This is serial communication. Now we'll see the transmission part, which will be done by using UART. The synthesis. This is the implementation part. Now we are generating the device. Now program on the device. Program succeeded. We can see on the hardware also. This is the hardware Nexus 3 Spartan 6, which is provided by the Coral. Now if we reset will be 0, then the data will be transmitted from this hardware to the PC. See, this is reset 1 now. Now it's 0. Now we can see here on the PC the same data, has received in PC, and here data reception is completed. Then all the details will be provided on the report. Thank you.